Sway is a great presentation tool that offers many different types of sections and ways to present your information. So let's take a look at some of these sections. We have headings, text, image, and stacks under our most suggested. The first we're going to do is heading. When I choose heading, this creates a new section or a new page in my Sway. So now I'm going to title this section 1 and I'm going to emphasize it, and let's add a little text underneath. Here is my text, and you can see that it's attached to the section above. I have options to add bullet points or numbers or even a link, but ultimately this is just a piece of text. So let's add something else, like a photo. I grab the photo, and I'm going to pull this one over here, but I can search for any photo that I would like. Now let's give it a caption. Here is an island. There we go. And now I can choose what I want to do with that picture. I want to focus on one particular point so that when the formatting changes, as you can see below, it highlights the part of that picture that I really want people to focus on. So let's add another section and let's create another header. Here is my section 2, and we're going to add some information here. So now I'm going to add a media stack. This can be words, this can be text. I'm going to choose add content, and here you can see I can choose text, an image, or upload from my computer. So I'm going to grab a couple images and drag them on here, give some descriptors to the images, and we're going to make a group stack. So now I choose the plus button, and you'll see my choices have now changed to just text, image, or upload because I'm in that stack. So I'm going to add some text and continue on adding a few images. Let's get some more nature images. Here's a second picture, and we'll add just a few more. There we go. And ultimately, we want to see what this looks like because we're looking at different ways we can use Sway to present our information. So now I have a couple things in a text, and you can see I have different sections, and each of them has their own label. So let's see what this looks like. I'll go up to play in the top right-hand side, and I want to change the way I'm looking at this. So I can go over here to the edit icon and change this into a different format. Now, when I scroll, you can see my different sections. You can see the focus points of the picture that I've chosen and the text underneath them. Here is my section 2 with my stack. Now, when I select my stack, it will scroll through all of the text and pictures that I've chosen. I also have an option if I want to view this in full screen by choosing the full screen option and using the arrows to scroll through all of my different choices of text and words. So if I go back to edit, to make sure I choose edit and go back to my presentation, and let's add another section. Well, you can see I don't have an option to add another section now because I'm stuck in that stack. So to add another section, I need to come up to a different part in my Sway and add a section. Now I have the choice. I can move my stack around or edit this as its own section. So I'm going to give it its own section and call this my image or photo collage. And now I have everything ordered in the way that I want with different sections we've taken a little look at, and you get to choose the way that you want your information presented.